Have you ever felt like you're running on autopilot, completely controlled by a habit you know isn't good for you? Well, there's good news. Today we'll talk about practical steps to help anyone break free from the cycle of bad habits. Breaking bad habits is so important, especially for our mental health. When we let go of habits that drain our energy and create guilt, we open up space for positive changes. Recognizing the triggers that spark your bad habit is crucial. Triggers are the specific conditions or situations that make you fall back into a bad habit. They can be emotional, like feeling stressed or bored, or situational. Identifying your triggers might seem daunting, but here are some strategies to uncover them. Start by keeping a journal for at least a week. Write down when the habit occurs, what happened right before, and how you felt. This can help you spot patterns. Next, pay attention to your surroundings. Sometimes our environment is filled with cues that prompt our habits. Noticing these can be a game changer. Take time to reflect on your emotional state before the habit kicks in. Are you stressed or tired? Recognizing these emotional triggers can be pivotal. Sometimes it's hard to see patterns ourselves. Don't hesitate to ask close friends or family what they've noticed. Seeking feedback can offer valuable insights. Understanding your triggers is the first step towards empowerment. Once you know what leads you into the trap of bad habits, you can start plotting a course to avoid them or respond differently. Replacing a bad habit with a healthier one isn't just about stopping a behavior, it's about starting a new chapter in your life story. Selecting a positive habit as a replacement is the first step. This is where you transform your don'ts into do's. Choose a habit that not only counters the bad one, but also sparks joy or interest. Also, consider how easily you can adopt this new habit. It should be accessible and feasible within your current lifestyle. For example, replacing a daily soda with sparkling water is a simple switch that has significant health benefits. Pair your new habit with an existing routine. Your morning coffee can be accompanied by a new habit of journaling. Modify your environment to support your new habit. Want to start running in the morning? Lay out your running clothes the night before. Acknowledge your progress. Every time you choose the new habit over the old, celebrate. These positive reinforcements build momentum. It's crucial to acknowledge that sometimes things don't go as planned, and it's perfectly okay to encounter setbacks. The first step in preparing for setbacks is accepting failure as part of the process. It's not the presence of setbacks that defines our journey, but how we respond to them. Each setback is a lesson in disguise. What caused the slip? How did it make you feel? Understanding these can fortify your strategy moving forward. Preparing for setbacks isn't just about bracing for impact. It's about building a mindset that sees beyond the immediate stumble. It's about cultivating resilience, learning from our experiences, and pushing forward with even greater determination. Self-care is a powerful ally in our journey to changing habits. It's the foundation upon which our resilience and persistence are built. Regular self-care strengthens your willpower, helping you resist temptations and stick to your healthy habits. Remember, breaking bad habits isn't just about willpower. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your well-being. Self-care is the nourishment that sustains this lifestyle, making the journey successful and enjoyable. It's important to remember one vital ingredient: giving yourself time to change. Patience is key. It's easy to fall into the trap of wanting immediate results, but real, sustainable change takes time. Monitoring your progress is not about nitpicking every small misstep. It's about recognizing and celebrating the milestones you've achieved. Keep a journal or use an app to document your journey. This can help you see how far you've come, even when it feels like you're standing still. Did you choose a healthy snack over junk food today? Celebrate that. These small victories accumulate and lead to big changes. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Recognizing your efforts and being gentle with yourself during slower periods can bolster your resolve. Giving yourself time to change is about embracing the journey, with all its ups and downs. It's about understanding that every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more content. Remember, change is not only possible, it's within your reach. With persistence, the right strategies, and a compassionate approach toward yourself, you can transform your life. Every journey begins with a single step, and every day is an opportunity to take that step.